Hey guys, so today you're going to be starting your work with topic 13, which is 3D geometry, and the focus for today is going to be calculating volume. In 6th grade, we are only responsible for finding the volume of rectangular prisms and cubes, and it is going to be the most straightforward equation to learn for this topic 13 work. So when we talk about volume is measuring the amount of space inside each 3D objects. So if I were to fill each prism or cube up, it's how much it can hold. When we talk about volume, our units are going to be units cubed. So compared to area, when we used units squared, we're using units cubed for volume. The formula for volume is simply just taking each side length and multiplying it together. So we're going to do our length times our width times our height. So let's look at a couple examples and see what that looks like. So here I've got 3 rectangular prisms. They're prisms because they have a top and a bottom base across from each other, and the faces or the bases are rectangles. So for this first one, we've got a length of 5, a width of 4, and a height of 10. For volume, we're just going to do 5 times 4 times 10. 5 times 4 is 20, times 10 is 200. So we say that the volume is 200 centimeters cubed. Down here for the middle one, we have 8, 5, and 3 as our dimensions. So again, we're going to do length times width times height. So 5 times 3 times 8 gives us 120. In this case, we don't have any label on this, so we're just going to call that 120 units cubed. And then finally for this magenta one over here, our units are our dimensions are 4, 6, and 10. So we're going to multiply together 4 times 6 times 10, which is 240 inches cubed. We can do the same thing with a cube. So if we have a cube that has all side lengths the same, so thinking of like a dice or something like that, that all the sides are the same, we're just going to multiply that side length by itself 3 times, or cube it essentially. So 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64 meters cubed. And then finally for this last one, we would do the same thing, 1 times 4 times 10 for a total of 40 inches cubed. And that's all we're going to do for volume. So what you're going to do is you're going to get with your first space partner in a minute, and you're going to do some practice with volume, and then check your answers at the end of class. Have a great day.